Hello friends, we are starting our session. This is 44th session conducted by Amit Kumar Jha from Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. And as we are approaching 120 to 130 crore population, we are widening here and there. Some of we are settled, but some of we require to be settled. So with this view, as I have formed the Labour Party of India and working for making organized self-employment ministry and budget by self-earning, self-work showing system, by self-employment government system, as Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. Tradition is we are sitting in the Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, with the book Truth Only Trumps, from where this fiscal credit table is belonging, with ISBN 81901860x, copyright number 954/03/COL, room number 1 to 6, where first room is for Shiv Puran, 12 Jyotir Mandir, shadow documents, and 175 crore shadow documents of the Shiv Shakti Mandir. Then worshipping Pushpanjali Aarti, and then moving to the room number 2, Vishnu Lakshmi Mandir, that is Vishnu Puran, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita and Amit Puran, with the 12 Jyotir Mandir recommended on me, and 175 crore shadow mandir of Vishnu Lakshmi, Ram Sita, Krishna Radha, Amita Vilasa, and then Brahma Saraswati Puran, 12 from Truth Only Trumps, starting ISBN 81901860x, copyright number 954/03, 12 Jyotir book, 12 Jyotir is spiritual book of Hindu, and 12 Jyotir book, those Hindu who have been living here, Brahma Saraswati Puran, 12 Jyotir book, commencing from our Nobel Prize winner and the Bharat Ratna winner, 12 ISBN certificate of Brahma Saraswati. And then coming to the room number 4, worshipping all life, money, law education, then family and non-veto husband, Adi Shakti Jagadamba, Durga Sapsati and Devi Bhagvat, and then the 12 Jyotir Mandir recommended by me, and the 175 crore Jyotir Mandir shadow documents of Adi Shakti Jagadamba, who is with us, always blessing us, and 12 Jyotir book of the woman who has been working from 26 January 1950 for the development of India. And then room number 5, each united Varshkrit god and goddess, the Mithila Varshkrit part 1, part 2, and all the Varshkrit, north, south, east, west, central India Hindus, all Gram Panchayat, and then 100 ISBN certificate with Truth Only Trumps, and all ISBN certificate of the Hindu Varshkrit with 108 Upanishad, 18 Puranas and 4 Vedas ISBN certificate, as we are working with Truth Only Trumps. And room number 6, our Indian Constitution, 26 January 1950, Parliament, RBI, Supreme Court, Bureaucracy, Army, Police, Secretariat, University Press, and 31st August 1946, the 2nd September 1946 interim government, the Clement Attlee document is coming from the where we are working, and 15 interim government members is formed, and then interim government, and then after that 299 constitutional member, on which we are living today in the organized manner. So all documents we are putting in 12, and then 100% to each one, and then 16.66 into 6, and making court martial arrangements so that we can be controlled by ourselves by signing the documents. We are starting our organized self-employment ministry 44 session by worshipping, and so that our present future. As our past has been glorious, our present and future should also be glorious with the Labour Party of India. And the uniform concept, we all united parties, political party who are working with our vote bank in a uniform manner, so that each one can represent with Labour Party of India fist of the hand in a uniform manner, that yes, the constitutional validity on income, work, educational certificate can come, and we can have a glorious present and glorious future with the documentation system. So let us first of all, we have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan, because we all are connected to one Rashtrapati Bhavan 26 January 1950 and one governor house which we have in each state. But I am trying to make you understand, because we are now becoming self-employed government servant from all over India. So for that, we have to first of all believe that we have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Rashtrapati Bhavan Kailash Dham, Rashtrapati Bhavan Vaikunth Dham, Rashtrapati Bhavan Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham, Rashtrapati Bhavan Satya Dham, Rashtrapati Bhavan the Varshikrit Dham, and the Rashtrapati Bhavan the Government Dham. Okay, and then in pair form we have to believe the Rashtrapati Bhavan documents of the Shiv Shakti Mandir on the 12 Jyotir Mandir of all 72 Mandir document on the as we are the sons and daughters of these mandirs who have been serving us and guiding us in all our good times, and whenever we have been in the different type of unstable situation. So they have been guiding us and we have been blessed by this, that we have to believe in heart. Now we have to connect it to the main Rashtrapati Bhavan and main governor house, so that we should remain in the control of all the political parties of India in a disciplined manner, because we are becoming by the Labour Party of India fist of the hand principle ideology of Amit Kumar Jha, that if 1 rupees or 1 paisa is fixed from our work on the educational basis and faith, we are becoming self-employed government servant, and on that pension, gratuity, provident fund, dearness allowance is coming, and self-funding, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit. Finance commission is set every 5 years. As we have 14 finance commission, similarly this finance commission will be also set, and we will have a organized self-employment ministry, finance minister. So we will have 3 budget: annual budget 108 ministry, railway budget 1 ministry, and organized self-employment ministry and budget. So in this way we will move on the organized way, and in organized manner with coat, pen, tie we will work. In organized self-employment ministry and budget, work is optional, and uniform political party signature will be come from all political party president, if all will have the trust, if we are on the equilibrium point from 31st August 1946, because we are understanding the ideology of Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddam, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham, and government Dham. So uniform system can be made where we all are working. We don't want religion, and everyone require a religious life, spiritual lives, where they are working and what they are working, in that beautification and organized working. And that can come only when the government validity is coming, because the shine of the self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, finance commission on our constitutional validity on income, work will improve, because we all will get fiscal credit salary from the 0 to 18 days if we require, because if there will be any eventuality, death, or any unstable situation in the household, we can join in organized self-employment ministry and budget. But after 18 years, as we have the photo election ID card, we can elect our MP and MLAs, Mukhias. Similarly, we can opt for organized work in the organized self-employment ministry with the concept what we have, and automatically in organized self-employment ministry the accountant will be connected to the chief minister, MLAs, MPs, prime ministers, and organized self-employment state finance minister, and organized self-employment ministry central finance minister. As we have 2 finance minister, one is for the annual budget and one is for the railway finance minister. Similarly, for this we will have the finance. I have tried to put the because 70-30 ratio is there. I have tried to put the employment equilibrium point. Employment equilibrium point is 30,000. At the time on 31st August 1946, it was 20 rupees per month. Those who are earning 20 rupees per month, they are in the elite society. And it became on 15th August 1947, after 1 year self-rule of our Indians, it became 30 rupees per month. Now it has become in 2021, August session is going on. So in that I have made 30,000 per month earner. Those who are able to earn, strict the investigation will be done, and the income tax, organized self-employment ministry income tax will check that yes, he is earning 30,000 per month or not. Then on that basis the certificate will be provided, yes, above 30. So on that basis 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month below earner are there, which we are. Now we are belonging from the sixth family, Kailas Dham family, Vaikunth Dham family, each united God and Goddess Dham family, Adi Shakti Jagadamba family, Satyadham family, and the government family. So all six family, we have been married, we have been taking birth, and neither the soul never dies. We take birth in different form. So it is common thing as Bhagavad Gita teaches, similarly Shiv-Puran teaches. So in that circumstances we have to understand that we are working in a constant manner. If we would have started signature from the 33 crore there only, because all religious representatives are looking after their religious home, so automatically they can sign and automatically six family will be formed, because all the religious home are having their representative, and it is the clear indication that all the rays are coming in our heart. We have not signatured, we have not become six unborn national family. So on that basis a uniform employment system, which will be direct under the control of chief minister, opposition leader, MPs and MLAs, will be automatically can be formed by our Labour Party initiative, and uniform signature of all the political party president. On that basis we can make, because what Mr. Nehru missed, that was the signature of the system. But 30 April 1975 came after 15 August 1947. So in that circumstances we have to understand that the organized self-employment ministry is the requirement of today. We have to understand that the various types of requirement which we are having in India, it is from this. We also have to understand that we have already made by our political circle, democratic political circle, who has led India to the victory, 700 MPs in the Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha, who are guiding us on the constitutional basis and checking us for the development. And according to me, 6 unborn family which is also there. So 750 into 6, we have 4,500 national family for blessing us. Only thing is understanding is required that we are the sons and daughters of the Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Satyadham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham. And automatically 6 national families form. Automatically 6 opinion will be formed automatically. So we are trying to form Labour Party of India, Fist of the Hand, Amit Kumar Jha, is session room number 126 from Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407. Book name Truth Only Trumps, ISBN 8190186002X. We are I am trying to make a session to make you understand that the constitutional validity on income work can come, and we can become self-employed, and fiscal credit salary automatically will come in our preamble wise organized and preamble wise organization. And then we have the 4,500 MLAs. So with that 6 family, if we are taking the 27,000 state national families are coming, because automatically we are active in the Vidhan Sabha, and we have the political party, we have the public opinion, and we are meeting the people. So automatically 27,000 families, state national families are spreading in India, and we are the sons of the Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Satyadham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham. That is welfare power Dham, life money Dham, law education Dham, family and non-widow husband Dham, united each God and Goddess Dham, and the government is Dham. So on one point, chief minister point and the prime minister point, we are attached. Then we have we have 25 lakh villages. in India. More than 25, but average we are taking 25 lakh villages. If we are taking the village family, I have tried to make you understand that we have panchayat commencing from the time immemorial. One family in panchayat is of Shiv Parvati, that is welfare power. One family is of Vishnu Lakshmi, Ram Sita, Krishna Radha, Amita Vilasa, that is life money. One family is of Brahma Saraswati, that is law education. One family is of Adi Shakti Jagadamba and non-widow husband, that is family and non-widow husband. And one family is of Hindu Varshkrit, that is each united Varshkrit god and goddess. And one family is of the government which I have tried to put, because I am trying to put fiscal credit salary, so that we become self-employed government job earner. Labour Party of India, fist of the hand with uniform constitutional validity by all political party present, by understanding the Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddam, Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham and government Dham and democratic concept of 26 January 1950 on the democratic principle by signing all the president. Automatically uniform system is made, because seniors will do automatically, we all will follow. So on that basis 25 into 6 we have 150 lakh village family all over India, because 25 lakh panchayat we have, 25 lakh mukhia we have, mukhia or sarpanch we have, and according to that 25 lakh into 6, 150 lakh village family is attached to this. So we have to understand this, and all system is already made. We have a systematic handling of the Aadhaar card, passport, photo, election identity card and the PAN card. So we have to make the constitutional validity on income work, which is possible only by our signature, because when we will do signature, time will pass, we will understand that we made this, and then from us only new generation is coming, because from 33 crore we have came 120 crore. No one has come outside from India, because the border are already closed. So automatically we are from this family only, and we are from the Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddam, Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham, each united god and goddess Dham. So it is coming 150 lakh families all over India, all over village, who are following the Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddam, Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham, each united god and goddess Dham, government Dham. We have not documented on the constitutional validity on income, work and educational certificate and certain faith. Automatically if we will sign, it will become from panchayat. If we are signing, it will directly reach to the district, and from district it will reach to the state capital, and from state capital it will reach to the Delhi. Similarly, if we are seeing the district, we have 718 districts all over India. So 716 districts into 6, we have round about 4,308 district family who are living in the different districts of 718 districts. So we have round about 4,308 district families who have our own palatial home and our roading business. So all the districts, we all are knowing all political party, and we can uniform way we can make by signing all the political party president uniform constitutional validity on income, work, educational certificate. It will be uniform. It is just a understanding. I have made this fiscal credit. We can make a fiscal credit 1 paisa or 2 paisa or 5 paisa according to that, and uniform rate in district and the state headquarters and the central headquarters, and by signature it can reach. So 4,308 district families who have our own accommodation in all the districts of India. Total we have 7,018 districts in India. Labour Party of India with uniform electoral, we are trying to make it so that we can become self-employed government servant in our political capacity and our vote bank, so that no one vote bank is also affected, because we are becoming vote bank by the signaturing. Then we have the blocks. 6,612 blocks we have all over India. We have 6,612 blocks. If we are taking the 6 family, Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddam, Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham, each united god and goddess Dham and government Dham, 6 family we are taking, it is coming 39,678 families. Means in the block we have 39,672 families all over India. And we are following the Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddam, Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham, each united god and goddess Dham and government Dham. By the signing signature, we are depositing in the block, and on that basis it is reaching to the district headquarter, and from district headquarter it is reaching to the state headquarter, and from state headquarter it is reaching to the central headquarter. No vote bank is affected, because the vote bank is already there of all political party. It is safe there. We have to understand Gandhism, we have to understand Amiteshwarism. In Gandhism we did not signature. and in this we are signaturing. In lieu of that, we are becoming self-employed government job servant. Here in Amit Kumar Jhaism, I am Amiteshwar Jha, I am Amit Kumar Jha. So in Amiteshwar Jhaism or Amit Kumar Jhaism, from Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, and book name Truth Only Terms, ISBN 8190186002X. I am trying to make you understand session from room number 1 to 6. I am trying to make you understand that we have not signatured, because the rays are coming from the Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham. Automatically, it has given us our photo election identity card. It has given us our freedom. But those who want to live a document life with a certain fiscal credit salary and the assurance from the self-earning self-worth certain fiscal credit Finance Commission of India, that yes, we are the dignified citizen of India, from the village to the block to the district to the state headquarter and to the central level, we are moving in 120 crore Aadhaar card and we are United Indians. We can do it. And we all political party president, by signaturing each other on the uniform in the fiscal credit per month soar Election Commission of India, we can keep that signature of the political party president, what we missed on 26 January 1950 while making Election Commission of India. Automatically we will uniformly follow 30,000 per month and 30,000 below per month earner employment point, because 70% of our voters are involved in the employment process. And we always know that the private sector job is uncertain. Some of we have the certainty, but most of we have the uncertainty. And above all, we have 21.7% people are below poverty line, who are not knowing where to go and where not to go. God is looking after that. By the document system, we are making fiscal credit, and by the court martial system, by the document system, when we will develop this system, we can make a arrangement on that, as we are making in arrangement in military. Court martial system in 6 ways: Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham. Because one center, Prime Minister and President, Chief Minister and the Governor are controlling us. 750 into 6, then 4,500 into 6. MPs and MLA are controlling us in the constitutional validity on income work. All the political party president are looking us. Automatically, how we can misbehave? Because we are human being, and we are putting in the idealistic form in room number 1 to 6 by seeing from the Rashtrapati Bhavan Eye, the Kailash Dham Shiv Puran book from the Rashtrapati Bhavan Eye, from Vaikunth Dham the Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita and Amit Puran from the Rashtrapati Bhavan Eye, the Brahma Saraswati Puran, the 12 ISBN Puran with Truth Only Terms and other 12 Bharat Ratna books and Nobel Prize Hindu Nobel Prize winner book from the Rashtrapati Bhavan Eye, and the Durga Sapsati and Devi Bhakti from the Rashtrapati Bhavan Eye, and Adi Shakti and Varshkrit from the Rashtrapati Bhavan Eye, and from Constitution of India 31st August 1946, where 15 interim government is formed by the Clement Attlee, and then Indian constitutional framework is made from the Rashtrapati Bhavan Eye. So how can we do mistake? Because we will be also promoted, because from 1832 46 58 year we are joining in this. So automatically senior will look after, apart from the political party representatives will be friends, because all are not high level dignitaries, because everyone is not selected, MLAs and MPs. Some are also with us also. So automatically we all will be connected with each other, and it is 72 members organized self-employment ministry is already giving in this, because 12 members of 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan, which is directly will be connected to the main Rashtrapati Bhavan 26 January 1950, and in state 72 main governor house. So automatically it can be adjusted, because the constitutional validity on income and work and educational certificate will give a great boost up, because we are employed. If 10 paisa we are earning, that is increasing, because when the 1950 was there, 1947, at that time rice or this ghee and all these types of prices were 1 rupees and 2 rupees. Now this same price is 600 rupees, 700 rupees of ghee per kg. and rice price is 100 rupees, 150 rupees. So you can understand the organized setup. If we are making 10 paisa as the constitutional validity on income work, authenticated by our prime minister and chief ministers and the opposition leader and the multinational corporation educationist and the all six families, because from 1 to 6 room, if we are putting the book, the raise is what it is taking. One family is devoted politician and ideological politician, one family is devoted industries and ideological industries, one family is devoted educationist, a devoted lawyer, devoted editor, devoted press reporter, devoted editor, devoted teacher, IITians, doctors. One family is devoted woman, one family is devoted truth and non-violence, one family is devoted government. So we have to understand that if we are able to make a documented system, we can check, because we will sign after 10 years, we cannot change our statement, because again we have to go to the court, we have to do affidavit. This system of document economy, because we have already three economy, capitalist economy we have, socialist economy we have, and we have the mixed economy. We also have to adopt this documented economy led by Amit Kumar Jha, Labour Party of India, fist of the hand and uniform constitutional validity on income by making 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month below, and direct ministry connection. We have to make a uniform system of the employment on the principle of, in the constitution we have to attach right of pension should be fundamental right of pension after 14 years for self earning, self income, certain caste, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office, fundamental right, direct link to ministry and budget. We should be preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self employed. Now we have to understand that in the preamble wise organized employed and preamble wise organized self employed, 6 unborn family in the form of Rashtrapati Bhavan, and here also in organized employed 6 unborn family in the form of Rashtrapati Bhavan. Both are connected to the main Rashtrapati Bhavan, 26 January 1950. Because we all are respecting each and every a uniform by the signature of all political party president on the vote bank what we have and what we our ideology, because we all are in democratic state and we are 120 crore population and we are linked all over India. Our ideology is same. Shiv Puran, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Amit Puran, Brahma Saraswati Puran, that is ISBN Puran, whatever a certificate, whatever book we have read, the Devi Bhagavad, that is Durga Saptati and Devi Bhagavad Puran, and the Varshkrit Puran, all the ideology which mother father is following, we are following. We try to disobey, but sometimes we follow. So Varshkrit all 108 Upanishad and 4 Vedas and the 18 Puranas, all that, and the Indian Constitution commencing from 26 January 1950 and from the 31st August 1946 when 15 member is appointed by the Clement Attlee and Independence Act is coming, and then attaching on that ideology we can make documented 16.66 into 6 and signaturing and putting in the fiscal credit per month for finance commission. We are free and we are also documented. We are following our ideology and we are also getting fiscal credit salary because we are connected with each other. Those who want to make rise, automatically we will start following, because the below 30,000 per month earner have to go to the 30,000 per month earner, and 30,000 per month earner has to go higher in the society, in the elite class, because in every line there is high profile society is there. So this we have to understand by this document method. We will be able to form this method and we will be documented all political party president brothers and sisters and my Labour Party of India with fist of the hand. We can make this, by this process we can make organized self-employment ministry, because basic requirement is organized self-employment ministry, nothing else. Because if the self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit is organized and we are being validated that yes we are government servant and 10 paisa is earning, and automatically the self-earning, self-work finance commission is giving, and on that pension, gratuity, provident fund, dearness allowance is coming up. what will happen? We will have the moral boost up, and 10 paisa is per month coming. That means 1 rupee 20 paisa is coming yearly. And on that basis, if we are trying to miserly work ourselves, we can do fast Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday according to our liking, and all the festival, and automatically money can also be saved, because by this method we can be able to make a better performance. And for the fast runner also it will be beneficial, because most of those who are working fast, they can understand professionalism. Automatically more professionalism will come, because when the expertness will be coming, automatically we will try to specialize, because I am trying to put the right of educational certificate in capital value. We have infinite population and infinite profession, around about 120 crore. We are wondering for the work, and we can generate work by giving constitutional validity on income work. We required a uniform formation, because the government interference is required, because the money will be carrying 365 days. Per fiscal credit will give 365 days, and in that public opinion is required, and public opinion requires the ideology. We all political parties are working from 31st August 1885, and as we have taken birth from that date. So ideologies can be different, but one ideology is same: to develop India and to make a strong India. And this constitutional validity on income work and educational certificate is boosting up the ideology, because the vote bank is not being affected. In no circumstances the vote bank is going to be affected. And on the other level, we are becoming self-employed government job servant. We people of India has to understand, by the document system and by generating trust in Amit Kumar Jha, we can be able to perform a organized self-employment ministry functionary, and we will become a dignified member of the constitutional class in illiterate chamber, in the thumb impression chamber, in the 5th class chamber, in the 8th class pass chamber, in the 10th class pass chamber, in the 12th class pass chamber, in the graduation pass chamber, in the PhD pass chamber, in the MA pass chambers, in the MPhil pass chamber, in the delete pass chambers, and double PhD pass chamber, and a organized system. Because when we will have the organized opinion, commencing from the Sadchayat, that is Panchayat, Sadchayat to the block, to the district, to the state headquarters, and uniform system of Labour Party of India by the document system will always check us, because our seniors will be there. If we are 18 years, 32 years senior is there. If we are 32 years, 46 years senior is there in the ministry, and if they are 46 year, 58 years senior, our certain faith is always will be organized in the hand of Prime Minister office, in the secular and in the Hindutva way, because the Prime Minister, the Parliament of India, and the Chief Minister and the Vidhan Sabha of the our state will be transferring to the various Governor House, Kailash Dham Governor House, Vaikunth Dham Governor House, Satyadham Governor House, Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham Governor House, the Governor House, and Varshkrit Governor House. Similarly, in the central way, राष्ट्रपति कैलाश धाम राष्ट्रपति भवन, बैकुंठ धाम राष्ट्रपति भवन, सत्यधाम राष्ट्रपति भवन, आदि शक्ति जगदम्बा धाम राष्ट्रपति भवन, is united Varshkrit Dham राष्ट्रपति and government dham. In this way, individually we are self-employed government servant, and we can save our money also, because individually at 18 years we will be free to work in our own capacity, personal capacity. If we will be more interested in education, we can study more, because educational certificate is becoming capital value. If the educational certificate is becoming capital value, automatically we are becoming human capital. Without organized self-employment ministry we have developed up till here. What our forefathers gave on 26 January 1950, we have reached to this point, from where 31st August 2001 I started this organized self-employment ministry, and in 6 unborn family form on 16 February 2002. Therefore, I try to make a organized worship between 31st August to 11th September and 16 February to 26 February. Same on the basis of Durga Puja, Lakshmi Puja, Saraswati Puja, Kali Puja. 6 unborn Murti of Shiv Parvati, that is welfare power, Vishnu Lakshmi, that is live money, Ram Sita, Krishna Radha, Amita Vilasa, that is live money, and Brahma Saraswati, that is law education, Adi Shakti Jagadamba and Arun Trinetra and her husband Shiva, that is Durga and her husband, and the each united Varshkrit god and goddess, as we have 108 Upanishads, 18 Puranas and 4 Vedas, one pair god and goddess we are taking, and the Bharat Mata and Bharat Pita, that is the Constitution of India, that has given us the immense capacity for fighting national movement. So on that basis 6 pair I am making, and then between this worship, Arti, Pushpanjali, Vedic Puja, and then immersing the ideal in the Ganga, Yamuna, Krishna, Kaveri all over India. And automatically 6 type of employment is coming: industrial employment, politician employment, the press reporter, editor, teacher, professors, lecturers, lawyers employment, women employment, the truth non-violence employment, and the government employment. All employment are coming, and 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month. It can increase and decrease according to the chief minister and prime minister and the various types of world event, because demand and supply is moving in the opposite direction, and when they are meeting at that time price is fixed and equilibrium price is fixed. So similarly, when we are signing, automatically we are following the rules of the ministry, because here the work is optional and one private sector work is also there. We can take double salary by this, because this organized self employment ministry will give us one salary that will be fixed lifelong, and we can plan. If we have to work 13 years, 14 years, 50 years, according to our plan we can work, and stability is always there. 6 unborn Rashtrapati Bhavan is there, and 4 generation is coming, like 6 pairs are coming: Shiv Parvati, Vishnu Lakshmi, Brahma Saraswati, law education, Brahma Saraswati, Adi Shakti Jagadamba, and unbeatable each united Varshkrit god and goddess, and government. 6 pair is coming at one point from Amit Kumar Jha, Amiteshwar Jha point, and from there the document is transferred to the Prime Minister office and Chief Minister office, Governor office, and the President office, to the one Rashtrapati Bhavan, which we have from 26 January 1950, and automatically we are being transferred. Now for any type of problem, I have tried to make the court martial connection, because the government job facility, self-employment government job facility is being given. So there should be no problem, because all the decorum and will be maintained. And optional job is in this. Optional job is means no pressure is, because the senior authority is also knowing that he is working in this private sector job, and immediately the accountant where the organized self-employment we are joining, we can transfer according to that, and showing our certificate we are becoming self-employed government job earner. And preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed is one number, which is connected to Prime Minister and Chief Minister. It can be audited by the Auditor General of India, organized self-employment ministry, and automatically one salary and one pension is going to the this on that, and checking can be done easily. So infinite profession and our democratic life will be also validated, because my principle is that if our ancestor at the 31st August 1946 would have told that politicians also is earning, means per month it is earning, automatically this problem would have solved. Because what is there, a politician struggle, we struggle from 31st August 1885, then we got 1947, in that we spend our money. So what is there, when we are doing a politics, it looks 30 years, 40 years struggle, then we are reaching to the top of MP and MLA and minister and council of minister and home minister other, and in between the life so many things happen that we forgot. So in that circumstances a different types of opinion is formed, where in this system from the day one we are earning. So from the day one we are earning, that tension is always finished. And apart from this, educational certificate is being given capital value. So if we are not learning extra, then also it is our fault, and if we are earning extra, then also it is our merit. So in this system it is possible, because here, and I have tried to make a uniform system, 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month, so that we don't dream more than that. And also I have tried to make a promotion system in the organized self-employment ministry of 30,000 per month above earner, as will be the employment equilibrium point, so that they can be promoted to above 30,000 per month earner. as the system automatically it will be there. In private sector we are day and night efforting for our development. Here there will be organized system based on the democratic proceedings of all political party. So this we have to understand, and with this I am ending with my system. Going in the Sardapur room number 1, Shiv Puran, 12 Jyotir Mandir and 175 crore documents of the Shiv Shakti Mandir. Then Vishnu Lakshmi, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, 12 Jyotir Mandir and 175 crore Vishnu Lakshmi Mandir all over India. And Brahma Saraswati, ISBN Truth Only Terms 8190186026, copyright number 954/03, and the other 12 Jyotir book and 12 spiritual book and 175 crore ISBN Hindu writers books of all subject. Then the Adi Shakti Jagdamba, 12 Durga Sapsiddhi Devi Bhagavat, 12 Jyotir Mandir, 12 Jyotir Mandir of Adi Shakti Jagdamba and 175 crore shadow documents of the Adi Shakti Jagdamba Mandir, and 12 Jyotir books of the Hindu woman, which has been inspiring for the women, ISBN certificate, and the room number 5, the Hindu Varshkit, the Mithila Varshkit, and the all the 12 Varshkit, north, south, east, west, south, and 108 Upanishad, 18 Puranas and 4 Vedas, ISBN certificate, and the Constitution of India, Parliament, Army, Supreme Court, Bureaucracy, Army, Police, Secretariat, Democracy, and 31st August 1946, Clemently Independence Document, 15th members, those, and 299 constitutional representatives, from which we are moving. On this, we are giving the Pushpanjali Aarti and ending this session. Organized self-employment 44th session. We should make organized self-employment ministry under the guidance of Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. Thank you.